Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ExcelVBA Expert. In today's video, we are going to learn top 5 VBA interview questions. Alright, so let's start to solve. These are the 5 questions which will help you to enhance your VBA skills. Okay, so let's start. In question number 1, if you will look at in the A column, that there are some topics which is given, but what is my question here? Question is that I want to extract each word from every topic. For example, that in A2, if you will look at, so here we have written that create a new sheet. So create should come in, it should be like this, create. Okay, and the next word should be in the next cell, and same with sheet, so on, right? It should be completely dynamic. If the range will get increase, if it will be more than A14, then it automatically will keep on separating or splitting the words from the each sentence or from each topics. Okay, so let's start. Okay, I'm pressing Alt F11, Control R. In this workbook, we want to write the code. Press Alt IM to add the module. Okay, so we have added the module, right? Let's start to write our code in option explicit mode. We have done that, and it is the question number 1. Let's solve the question number 1. So here, first of all, we need to run here. We need to do the nested loop. We need to run the nested loop. Let's declare the variable first. Dim cell as a range. Okay, sheet you guys can declare by yourself, but I'm not declaring in my case. Okay, k as an integer, p as a long. Okay, that's what. And now let's start. For each cell in range from a to a, and why I'm writing only a, so that I can get the last of, which can make this process dynamic, right? Count a dot and excelup dot row. Okay, next cell. After that, I want my next loop should run when the cell value is non-blank, right? That's what we have written. Okay, and here I want to run the loop on each. I want to run my next loop on each in each topic, right? On each topic. So how? For each, not for each, for k1 to length, whatever will be the length, because we need to count the words, because how many words we do have in the a columns. For example, in a column, how we will be counting, it will be substitute you know old with new, and length, get the length of it, and minus the original length with the, yeah, okay, with the knob, with the where we remove the space, right, plus 1. These are the length. Okay, these are the max value, stop value, we will be giving in here. We will be giving in next loop, which is our for next loop. Okay, minus length, worksheet function dot substitute, the same function we have written in the b column. That's what we are writing in the VBA. Okay, cell dot value, instead of a space I want blank, plus 1. Simple. Okay, next k, I will have to declare one more variable here. Dim name as a variant, where we will be storing our word. Okay, for that we need to store. Okay, so I would be writing my code. Okay, option base should be 1. Okay, and here what I can do, p equal to 0. Why? Because see, we are running the loop here. We are extracting the value when the next loop will, when the next value, not next value, but next loop will start running. Okay, it will start to calculating the index number from the 0. This is why that we have given here p equal to 0, and I want my name should be store where, here, vba.split cell dot value. I want to give the delimiter as a space, and cell dot offset 0 comma k dot value name, and after that p you have to give p plus 1. That's it. Okay, message box done. Simple. If I will run the code, I pressing F5, you will see, you have looked at, right? So all the words got separated from the a column and now printed in the respective cells. Okay, so if you will look at the second row numbers, create a new sheet. So here we have a create, in the c column we have a new, in the d column we have a sheet, right? So I hope guys that you have understood it. Okay, still if you think that you have not understood, you want to ask anything, so you guys can comment, so that I can reply you there. Okay, So let's move to the question number 2. In the question number 2, if we look at, so it's written here, write the code, because we have to do the integration with the PowerPoint. So what we need to do, we need to write a very small code, okay, which can help us to open the PowerPoint, and along with that I want to add 10 more, you know, chart slide. Okay, not a normal slide, chart slide. How we can do that? Press Alt F11. Okay, go in the tools, because we need to, you know, enable the one external library, which will be our Microsoft. If you will go down, so Microsoft, I am going down, Microsoft, press M, Microsoft PowerPoint here. After the Microsoft PowerPoint 16.0 object library, this is what actually you need to enable. Okay, now let's write the second code. Sub procedure question number 2, dim press is mean, you know, or you can write PPT as, you know, new PowerPoint application. Okay, and next variable you need to declare press as presentation. Okay, press stands for presentation according to me, PowerPoint dot presentation. And next for the slide, SL as slide. Okay, as slide. Simple. Here set press ppt dot presentation dot add. Here you will have to run the loop dim k as an integer. Okay, and you will have to run how many sheets we need to, you know, add 10 for k1 to 10. I want to run the loop. Okay, where I want to set the slide press dot slides, sorry, slides dot add. Okay, add, not add slide, add one comma. Here you will have a ppt layout chart. Simple. Message box done. This is the small, you know, code that you guys need to write. Okay, now if you will press F5, you will see PowerPoint is getting open. This is the very simple code, guys, you can use, right? So you see PowerPoint actually getting open. Now you will look at, see, 1 2 3, all the sheets got added, right? This is the chart sheet. This is the chart, you know, slides that we have added. I'm closing it. Okay, and this is how that we can integrate our Excel with the PowerPoint. Okay, I hope that you have understood this code as well. Let's move to the question number 3. In the question number 3, very simple thing that is given here. As we use a text to join, you know, in the Excel, right? That's how that we need to use. See, if you already have understood that how we want to, what we actually we need to do, we need to, you know, concatenate this, you know, month like D1. Okay, in the D1 we have given the required output. Now let's press Alt F11. Come here, right here, sub procedure question number 3. Okay, in question number 3, what we need to do now, dim k as an integer, cell as a range. Okay, str is variant, for example. Now let's write our code for each cell in from range a cells rows dot count a dot and excelup dot row. Okay, next cell, if cell dot value is unequal to blank, then I want to write my next code. What next should be done? It should be like str. Okay, str cell dot value. Okay, cell dot value, whatever the value we have, ampersand by str. So now if you will look at, okay, if you will look at, so here in the last I want to print my concatenated value in d5 range d5 dot value will be str. If I will press F8, you see, okay, value is being, you know, concatenated. Now I'm pressing F5. As soon as if I will press F5, so if you will look at, so it is starting from Jan. So what changes we need to do? Instead of putting str in the end, let's put it in the beginning. Okay, let's put it in the beginning. And still if you will face one more problem, which will be, I'm pressing F5, you see Jan 5, but in the beginning, that if you are looking, so you are able to see the one extra comma we have. So how we can replace it? We can replace like this: length, get the length of it. First get the length of str. Okay, get the, or simply left. Okay, from not left, right. Okay, str length of str minus 1. Simple. Press F5. As soon as you will press F5, it will get removed. I hope guys this is what you have understood. If still you not understanding anything, please comment guys so that I can let you know, okay, what you have not understood. Okay, so now let's move to the question number 4. In the question number 4, what we need to do here, we need to write one event in the question number 4 in this sheet. If I will do anything in this cell, for example this cell, if I am writing here Akash or anything, so automatically one thing should get print here, where in A5, in A4, in summary sheet. So what I want, if anything will get changed, not anything or not anywhere, I want specifically only in A3. If anything I am changing in A3 only. Okay, in question number in sheet question number 4, if anything I am changing in A3, so automatically Akash or VBA should get VBA should get print in A4 in the summary sheet. That is my question. So now we can do it by press Ctrl R, go in question number 4. Question number 4 is here. Okay, and now we need to write the event. Go in worksheet, select the change event, right here if not intersect, okay, target dot range A3 dot value is nothing, then what should be done, then automatically this workbook dot sheets in summary sheet, what I want in range A4, I want to print VBA dot value equal to VBA, okay, else nothing. This is the small event that you need to write. So what it will do, whatever you are changing, whatever changes that you are making in A3 in question number, in sheet question number 4, right, so automatically VBA will get print in summary sheet. As of now you will be able to see there's nothing written in A4 in the summary sheet. If I will do any changes, for example I'm writing here, I'm deleting it, and we are getting error. Instead of value, remove the value, okay, reset it. Now I'm writing here Akash. As soon as I return, you will be able to see something in the VB in A4 in the summary sheet. VB automatically got printed. Again if I am making any changes, I'm writing here data, so you will be able to see VB is again getting print. So what is the main objective of solving and of writing it? It means that if is there any condition that you want to do on this specific range, if anything is getting changed, so that should be done, that should be done. So those things only can be achieved through the the event. Okay, that's what actually you can use for your task. So so thanks a lot to understanding this question. If you have not understood anything, so guys please let me know. Okay, so now let's move to the question number 5. In the question number 5, print the sheet name in the D column. In the D column I want to print my sheet name, whatever the sheets I do have in this workbook. So press Alt F11, Control R. Now let's write the code in the module. Okay, and I'm writing here code sub procedure question number 5. Okay, dim WS as a worksheet, SH as a worksheet. Okay, simple, nothing else, or K as an integer. Set sh this workbook dot sheets question number 5. Okay, I want to run the collection row for each WS in this workbook dot worksheet, next WS, and K from row number 2 I want to print. Okay, range A ampersand K dot value WS dot name K comma K equal to K plus 1, message box, done. Very small code that we have written, but it will be helping you a lot. Okay, I'm pressing F5. As soon as you will press F5, so instead of D I printed in A column. So if you will look at, so all the sheets name that we have got here, I'm deleting it again, I'm printing again in front of you, I'm executing, I'm pressing F5. As soon as I pressed F5, all the sheet name we have in this particular workbook that we have got in A column. So I hope guys these are the 5 questions would help you. If you have not understood anything, please do let me know, and I will attach this file in the description box. From there you guys can download it for your practice. So thanks a lot for watching the video guys. Thank you very much.